Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR sweeper. So we've got our handle, as it looks like a C-stand arm lock on it, so that's excellent. We've got our grip. It's got a nice cushiony material on it. We've got our instructions with some hardware. And we've got the unit. A very interesting thing. I think if you see somebody pushing this around, it's going to look like they're pushing around some kind of an electric lawnmower. You can see the main part of this is going to be this brush right here. And it appears that that is geared. So a couple of rotations here on the wheel will give you a lot of rotations on that brush. Looks like it can run from either wheel, and the wheels are independent from each other. So that's nice. Good design there. You can also see when I pull this, it's going to spin this belt, and that is going to spin this pulley up here. We got a single caster here on the front, so we're not going to be dragging on the ground. And then most of this is just the tank. So quite a bit of room in there. And then just basically an empty frame there on the bottom. So we got some hooks right there on the front. That'll just lock onto the front of the frame. And it drops in. Very smart. Like they got like carry handles all over. This is going to be our brushes. So it's at common angle. You want to have the brush facing down. So these just drop in. Then we got these supports. I'll turn counterclockwise and that will lock that in place. I can take our main handle. Yeah. Just threads right in. So we do have a couple of arrows right here. So if you want to use their recommendation, you can do that. But it is nice to know that you can adjust that angle to where it's going to be most comfortable for you. And do the same thing for the other side. Now, it's also nice about that is we can just loosen these two guys up and we can collapse the whole thing when we're done. So we can easily stick that next to a shelf in the garage. And this handle has two holes in it. I'm going to use the lower handle just because I'm a little bit taller. Bolt in from the back, put that through the hole. And just for now, do the same thing the other side just to hold it in place. And these are carriage bolts. They do have a square on them. That will seat into a square hole right there. Put on our washer and thread in our lock. Take the whole thing, flip it up, and we'll just spin this guy until it can lock tight. You don't want it to be too tight, so if it's a little too tight, loosen that up a turn and try like that. So I'm going to give this guy a bit of a challenge. And so we got brick pavers all over, so you got cracks and stuff everywhere in between. Plus these leaves are going to be fairly big. That means there's going to be a big chance that they're going to want to stick in between the bristles. It is important to remember, all of the cleaning is going to be done there on the back. If I run something over with the front, it is not really going to do anything until it gets to those brushes on the back. Ah, all right. We are missing a few. Nothing really stuck in the brushes. Like I said, I am not doing this guy any favors. And I do appreciate that we got those brushes on the front. So just going to kind of kick everything toward the center. Oh, yeah, I just had it overfilled. Okay. Maybe try that again. Yeah, that was doing much better when I don't have that thing crammed to the gills. Yeah, so it is doing better. A big part of it is just making sure that we are not clogging up where it's supposed to be going in. Yeah, that is a pretty sweet little sweeper. So I was looking more into it, and what I think what was happening, because the leaves were piling up right here, what it was actually doing was it was grabbing those leaves and it was sucking them back down the brush. Now we do have kind of a rake right here to prevent that from happening, but I think if you really wanted to use this for leaves, then you would have to get something that's a little bit more aggressive for that rake. So this is just a bunch of dust. We'll see what we can do with that. Yeah, so that is definitely not bad at all. Wow. So some things it is definitely better at than others. So overall, that is a pretty interesting tool.